up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl ShaniceAlisha. For everyone who is new, welcome. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, tuning in. I hope to see you guys join the family. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, baby. Tap the bell so you never miss another video upload from your girl, because we're hitting 10K this year and I don't want anybody telling me that I was underrated when you find me down the road at a milli, okay? And for all of my ride or die babies, y'all already know the drill. Hey y'all, we are back with another video. I know you guys miss me in this setting. I know you guys miss my regular content. However, you know, the vlogs just really been going up. So, you know, sis gotta go with what y'all love. However, this is the meat and the potatoes of my channel, so we're gonna get back into some other videos and content that you guys do like. Now, let me go ahead and put this disclaimer out here. You was either gonna get a beat face or the wig. So I thought it was courteous enough to put on the wig and just kind of decompress from work, because listen, my job, whoo, baby, that's a story for another day, okay? So get into it. If you can't take me serious, I'm sorry, baby. I'm only gonna be on here talking to you guys for like maybe 2 minutes max with this mask on, and then we're gonna hop right into what we are here to talk about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into 5 new smoothie recipes. Like I did mention in the previous video, these were a key ingredient to me losing as much weight as I was able to lose in the first 5 months of the year. I literally use these as meal replacements. They're a great way to get your fruits and vegetables in for your daily nutrition. Without even realizing it, I've started doing 2 a day, 1 for breakfast and then 1 for dinner. Most times I will eat a full lunch just to have a balanced meal for the day. Sometimes I will swap my 2 smoothies out and do 1 for breakfast, 1 for lunch, and then I'll do a full dinner as long as it's before 8 o'clock. So it just depends on how my day is actually flowing. I know there are a lot of concerns as to sugar and how smoothies can be effective when they're comprised with a lot of fruit that break down into sugar and ultimately don't help us out at the end of the day. However, it's all about balance. Okay, I'm no nutritionist, okay? I'm not an expert. I'm just here utilizing Pinterest as my reference and bringing goodness to you guys because it works for me. And like I always say, you guys can substitute and gear these recipes towards what works out best for who? You, baby. The very first thing that I changed up from my first smoothie recipe to this one was the type of greens that I'm putting inside of the smoothie, and then also an addition of blueberries. So I'll just give you guys a quick rundown. You know, Google is the most resourceful and powerful tool you can use anywhere in the world. So blueberries are low in calories and they're high in nutrients. They're antioxidants. They can help you maintain your blood pressure. They can help you prevent heart disease, and they can also be used to maintain and improve your brain function and memory. Y'all, I don't know what that means to you, but for me, I'm really glad that I started incorporating them into my smoothie recipes as well as different greenery. In this video, you will see that I'm using a different blend of greens outside of just regular spinach. And for you guys who don't know about good leafy greens, they help with the health of your skin and your hair. They're also rich in calcium and they help prevent muscle deterioration. So if you're like me and you're getting into putting cleaner ingredients into your body so that you can see better results on the outside, especially for overall appearance, and if you're getting more into the fitness side of things, you want to make sure that you're fueling your body with efficient gas. That way you can work harder, be stronger, and go longer. Okay, babies? My mom was calling me. So I take it as my cue that it's time for me to wrap up this intro. I hope you guys learned something. Remember to always use Google as your resource. Do your research and use me only as a guide. Gear these towards what works out best for you, no matter the substitutions that you have to make. I know a lot of people have allergies and you can't do certain things, but you can always substitute one ingredient out for another. Without further ado, you guys already know the drill. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, baby. Comment your thoughts down below. Let me know what type of dish you want to see in the next Good Eats with Shanice. Don't forget, like I said before, to hit that red subscribe button, baby. Tap the bell, join the fam. Let's go. I completely forgot to mention that I actually named this batch of smoothies. I thought it would be really cute and give the video a different type of vibe. So for our very first recipe, this is going to be the banana berry smoothie. It's comprised of 5 whole strawberries, 1 frozen banana, 1 cup of blueberries, and then 2/3 cup of vanilla almond milk. This is gluten-free, soy-free, and also dairy-free. Also remember you guys, the thicker you want your smoothie, the more solids you need to add. The thinner you want your smoothie, the more liquid you need to add. Our second recipe is going to be the Fresh Start smoothie. This is comprised of 4 strawberries, 1/3 cup of blueberries, 1 banana, 1 cup of protein greens, 1/2 cup of vanilla almond milk, and then 2 tablespoons of vanilla Greek yogurt. As you'll notice, halfway through blending, I like to go in and add my 2 tablespoons of vanilla Greek yogurt. This is no special trick, just because of the sizing. For the blending cups, I don't want to overfill it in the beginning, so I like everything to kind of blend down, and then I'll go in and add as needed. For recipe number 3, this is the Early Bird smoothie. It's comprised of 1 banana, 2 mango halves, 1/2 cup pineapple, 1 cup of protein greens, 2/3 cup of almond milk, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla Greek yogurt. As you'll see with my mango halves, they're already pre-diced, and all you have to do is gently pull them out. You can actually cut and dice the mango up after you peel the skin off. It's completely preference to you if you want to use it fresh or frozen. Recipe number 4 is the Mango Mania smoothie. It's comprised of 1 whole mango, 5 whole strawberries, 1 cup of blueberries, and 1/2 cup of mango nectar. Our fifth and last recipe will be the green machine smoothie. It's comprised of 2 cups protein greens, 1 banana, 1 cup pineapple, and 2/3 cup of vanilla almond milk. And that is all, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you would like to know the meaning behind all of my smoothie names. Also, don't forget, if you haven't watched the first batch of smoothie recipes, go ahead and click it right here. Hit that red subscribe button, baby, and tap the bell. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace, guys.